What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura.
I'm back again.
She's back again. And today we're going to be making JENNY69'S drink, but with Smirnoff, the spicy tamarindo.
Yeah.
This is really good, actually.
It tastes exactly like tamarindo.
Bomb. It tastes like the
candy tamarindo.
The actual candy.
Yes. If you smell it, you're gonna think it's the actual tamarindo candy.
Okay, so we got little plates.
We got some big cups for our drinks. So Laura, tell us how to do the JENNY69 drink.
You're going to need this. And you're going to need the pineapple juice. What is this? Langer?
What?
I don't know this brand, but we have this one. I like to use the Dole, the brand Dole, but we couldn't get it, so we have this. This will work. We have tahini.
The only thing that we're missing is chamoy.
Oh, but we have. This is embarrassing.
No, it's not. We have like actual. Like
So we have the. Yeah. Well, it's supposed to be enchilocas, but we're using the chamoy leftover.
Chamoy leftover.
Because we just don't have. Yeah, we're gonna work with this.
And they went to the store twice to get the ingredients for this, and then we didn't remember about the chamoy.
No, we didn't.
Until
So, first things first, we have the chamoy, and we're gonna dip this, our big cup, in here.
I'm gonna move this so you guys can see what she's doing.
Oh, this is thick. It looks good, actually. I think it works better than like the actual chamoy.
And then you guys are gonna need some tostitos to munch on because this is a process.
Here you go. Your turn. I'm gonna use this to like spread it around because it's like sticky. And then what do we do after this?
And then we put, are we gonna put tahini on the rim?
If you want. You're like, of course I want.
Yeah. See how good that looks, guys? That looks pretty good already.
Oh yeah.
So we're putting tahini.
Now we're gonna add the tahini.
You know what would be good too? To put like chamoy inside and then add the drink.
Oh yeah.
But I think that's more like for micheladas than for.
So we got our little. Well, you guys saw what I did. I put the tahini on this little plate, and now I'm just like making it stick to the glass.
Okay. So now that we have the tahini, we need some ice.
Shouldn't that be last? Because then it's gonna be melting while we're doing this.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is we're gonna have to open the bottle.
Popping bottles in the ice.
And we have our little shot glasses right here to measure how much we're putting in.
I'm putting in 2 shots.
Oh, because these are big. Did it spill?
It dripped on me.
One shot.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 4.
1, 2, no te sientas.
I don't know. Whoa.
That's big. It's spilling.
Okay, now my turn.
This
Just
smells
like the candy.
so good.
What is it called? The rellenitos?
Or the candy?
Rellenos?
Yeah,
The
the like the little long ones
Yeah.
with the relleno inside.
Those are bomb. That's exactly it.
It's already like halfway.
She gonna get fucked up.
I'm kind of like a lightweight.
Kinda?
Why the fuck you lying?
I think I used to be worse though, because when we've been drinking, like I feel like I just feel a little tipsy. Like I don't feel like messed up. Like I'm still
Huh?
there. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour some pineapple juice.
Did you shake it?
Oh no.
The pulp is like on the bottom, I think.
Does it even have pulp? It doesn't
Probably not.
say. No.
Okay. Dude, they can hear. I'm gonna get copyrighted again. We can't help the music in the background.
Sorry guys.
My brother's a DJ.
Yeah, so if any of you guys need some DJ services, hit us up.
Hit up. What is his name? He doesn't even have a DJ name.
Peligros. DJ Peligros.
DJ Peligros in the mix.
Yeah.
Okay. So next, yeah, like you just fill it up to wherever you want it.
I didn't fill it all the way up because I feel like if I would have, it would have been all just juice.
I think so.
Maybe.
Yeah, you're right. Right there.
Because these cups are pretty big. And the next one that Laura wants to do are the mango shots.
Laura. You're turning into alcoholic here. You're the one.
Those look so good.
They do look good though. Next, we're gonna put ice. I'm gonna put 3 ice. They're kind of big. And then after that, the ice, I'm mixing it, but I'm gonna add the tahini that was left over, and I'm just gonna add it.
Smart.
I just put a whole bunch more. I love tahini.
I know. And it says on there that it's not candy, but we still eat it like it's.
It says on there.
It used to. I don't know if it does anymore.
Should I put one of these enchilocas in here?
It looks like a little
What? Bomb A. Let me do the taste test.
It's strong.
Uh-huh.
We did put you did put a lot of smart.
I put 2 full shots. And, or maybe because it's the first drink, let me try it again. Maybe I need to mix it more.
Oh yeah.
I think you always like taste it more like the first sip or drink. You have to keep drinking it.
You have to keep drinking, and we're gonna finish
Yeah,
the whole thing.
Shit, it is kind of.
Oh yeah.
So we got this idea from JENNY69'S. What is it called? Is it recording?
Summer girl.
Summer girl
Isn't
drink.
I think
Summer-
that's what I think that's what she called it.
What was it? It was something. Oh, now it's gonna bother me that I can't remember it.
I think so, it's something similar to that, like summer girl drink or something.
Well, yeah, but hers, she uses the watermelon Ciroc or Smirnoff watermelon, and then she puts a pineapple with the tahini and the chamoy, and it's bomb because we tried it like that. But I think this one's good too.
It's still kind of strong.
I think it's good.
You know another drink that I've heard that's really good, but we just haven't tried it? It's Hennessy with pink lemonade.
I haven't heard of that.
There's this girl I work with, she told me to try Hennessy with pink lemonade. That it's really good. What's another drink that we should try? I don't know.
Give us ideas, guys. Comment down in the comment section.
Cause we would always drink margaritas.
That was our thing back in the days.
Yeah, but we got kind of tired of them. They're really sweet.
This is kind of sweet too, though.
But I feel like the margaritas more.
Sorry for how the video ended, but we hope you enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment what you would like to see next. And I'll see you guys on the next video.
Si necesitas reggaetón, dale. Sigue bailando, mami, no pare. Acércate a mi pantalón.